Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make calculation with F fraction. In this tutorial I have two examples. The first one, I want to add the shipping expenses to the sales amount. If the sales amount is greater than or equal 10,000, I want to add $20. Otherwise I want to add $50. Let me show you how to do this. In the formula bar, I type equal, then I select the sales amount, P6, plus F, opening the parentheses, and specify my condition. So, if the sales amount greater than or equal 10,000, the shipping expenses is $20. Otherwise, the expenses is $50. Then closing the parentheses. What this exactly mean? This means I want to add the sales amount to the result of F fraction. Then I press enter and copy down the formula by double click the corner like this. The second example, I want to calculate the deduction amount based on the salary amount. If the salary is less than or equal 2,000, the deduction rate is 5%. Otherwise, the deduction rate is 7%. Let me show you how to do this. In the formula bar, I type equal, then the salary amount times F, opening the parentheses, and specify my condition. If the salary less than or equal 2,000, then the deduction rate is 5%, and I need to make this an absolute reference by pressing F4, because I want, when I copy down the formula, I want the P2 won't change to P3 and P4 and so on. Otherwise, the deduction rate is 7%, P3, and I need to make this an absolute reference by pressing F4 and close the parentheses. Let me explain what this exactly means. This means I want to multiply the salary amount to the result of the F statement and press enter and copy down the formula by pressing the corner, by double click the corner like this. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you, and I see you in another tutorial.